right, good morning. It is about 11:15 Central Time here on Wednesday, January 23rd, 2019. Leslie Electric out there in Mississippi has shown us some interest in this 2003 International Double Elevator 105-foot reach utility bucket truck. I'm going to walk around the truck and show you everything about it. I'm Scott, and we'll show you the good, the bad, and the ugly of the truck, and then we'll operate it. We'll start it up and operate it, let you listen to it run, and let you see all the hydraulics in action. So, truck's in pretty good shape for the age. I mean, if you think about it, it's a 15, 16-year-old truck, but I mean, it's in pretty good shape. It does have little cosmetic imperfections here and there, a little paint missing off the fender. Some little light surface rust there on the that outrigger. The truck really doesn't have any rust to speak of at all. It's just a few little heavy iron components like that. It'll show some. Windshield's in good shape. Hood's in great shape. Bumper's in good shape. No significant issues. Scratches and things. But nothing really significant at all. The tires are in extremely good shape. Very, very deep in tread. Bridgestone tires here in the front. There's your battery box. Lower controls here. Rear tires are in extremely good shape. All 8. It's got a Hendrickson rear suspension in it. It's about the strongest suspension you can get in a utility truck like this. Step back here. Show you the truck. Coming around the back here, the bumper's in good shape. It does have a receiver style hitch on the back. You can add a pintle if you want. It does have that heavy duty cross member there where you can bolt a pintle style hitch to. And then just coming down the driver's side, tires are in extremely good shape. We will start the truck up and let you listen to it run. It is in the 20s here this morning. Pretty cool morning. Got a pretty good breeze. So I apologize for the background noise. But we'll go ahead and engage the PTO and operate the hydraulics. Put the outriggers down. Blue sky, but it is really cold out here this morning. Especially for Central Texas. it up about halfway just to save some time on the video, just so you can see that everything works. First he raised the upper elevator, now he's raising the lower one. Now he's rotating it. The bucket is rotating towards us. The elbow is rotating away from us. Now he's coming back. Elbow's coming towards us. Bucket's moving away from us. Nice, smooth, fluid rotation. No binding or anything. He's bringing everything down. I will show you the interior of the truck. Show the miles, 66,410. All right. Bringing it all down. Let us know if you have any questions or concerns. We would love to earn your business. He's just rotating it around to get everything lined up. Now he'll bring the elevator down. Let us know if you have any questions. My name is Scott. This is North Texas Equipment. I've got my phone number up here on the window here. It's 972-765-7819. Thanks a lot.